Hello everyone, welcome to the Sujata Show. Today we are making delicious stuffed eggplant dish. For this recipe I have this ingredient list which I used. For this recipe I have 1.5 pound of these cute little baby eggplants over here. Time to boil the eggplant, so the water is boiling and I'm putting all of the little cute eggplants on here to boil, and this makes yours on medium flame. It's for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now time to cook stuff with spices for the eggplant. So the oil is heating, so I have 3 tablespoons oil on the pan, and I got 3-4 red chili. It takes time, little bit time, like 1-2 minutes to get to fry the chili frying. Now I got 1 big size chopped onion, and I'm going to stir frying it on high flame. And frying it until it's golden brown. Now it's time to take spices. I got half tablespoon of turmeric, I got 2 tablespoons of salt, I got half tablespoon of cumin powder, I got 1 tablespoon coriander powder, I got around 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and make sure you have like medium flame and frying it again. Onion and spices are fully cooked, so I'm putting 2 chopped tomato on it and 2 tablespoons chopped ginger and garlic, around 3 green chili, and I'm frying it gently together. Yes, frying gently on, make sure you have like low flame. And now I'm going to cover the pan and going to cook on low flame until the oil is separated. Our stuff is ready. Let them cool down. Alright, so our eggplant is fully steamed. Let them cool down for around 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to cut them in 2 ways, not all the way through. I also can cut the 4 ways, but I'm going to cut 2 ways today. I'm going to stuff them pretty much all down to here, so that the way makes incredible flavor on eggplants with the spices. I will do that rest of it in the same way, so you can see it, how it looks and how it tastes. I'm not going to do deep fry, so I don't need lot of oil, just around 5-6 tablespoon oil on it, and took a stuffed eggplant one by one. And you can take like as much as your pan allows to take it. And after you take all the eggplant, just make sure you have a low flame, so it will cook and fry perfectly. Can take one more, yeah, and Fry until it's golden brown on low flame. Half part is golden brown, so I'm going to turn over and cook another half part. Make sure you are frying this on low flame. Yeah, you can turn over one by one, kindly, gently, so the oil is not fly. Yeah, like that. And just make sure you don't need to turn, don't cover your pan. Right, like that. Our cute little eggplant is ready with lot of spices and it's ready to serve. I cannot wait to eat that. I made this green sauce. You can watch the recipe in my next video. So thank you for watching my recipe. If you like my video and recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.